Whether business or personal, in every relationship, there will be times when someone disappoints us. Maybe they will say something thoughtless that hurts our feelings. Maybe they'll fail to live up to an expectation or obligation. Maybe they simply won't be what we thought they were. Regardless of the reason for the letdown, we can find ourselves left feeling hurt, upset, or angry. However, everyone makes mistakes, and we're all only human in the end, so when someone disappoints me, those are the first things I remind myself of. None of us are perfect, and remembering this fact can go a long way toward healing a bit of the hurt we may feel. After that, I ask myself if the feeling of disappointment is reasonable. Sometimes we can put unfair burdens on others, or expect them to know things they have no way of knowing in advance. This not only sets the other person up for failure, but also sets us up for heartbreak as well. With that in mind, I ask myself whether the other party truly made a mistake, or if I simply expected too much of them. Next, I consider if this issue is something that needs to be addressed or a one-off occurrence that can be chalked up to a mere misunderstanding. Misunderstandings happen just as often as mistakes, after all. But if this is a sign of something deeper, then I'll take that person aside and explain to them my view of what happened and see if we can come to some sort of understanding and agreement. If not, then it may be best if we part ways for both of our sakes. Sometimes it's best to move on and move forward to find the person we're looking for.